Hello, you guys and gets. Welcome back to another UPHi vlog, part 2 of the Maui leg heli ukulele slash giving away ukulele. So we just got off the plane. We're headed to baggage claim to pick up all the ukuleles and take it to our spots and give them away. So let's go. Thank you guys. All right, we are here at Kihei boat ramp, and we're expecting some children to come, also some aunties and parents to come for their kids. A lot of, you know, maybe shy ones or whatever, but we're expecting them to come and give away some ukuleles. So let's open up the back and grab some ukes. All right, we are wrapping up here at the Kihei boat ramp, and we got to meet some kids, got to love on them, got to pray with some. We really hope we can bless them and they continue their ukulele lifestyle. But we still have more, and we're headed over to Kaanapali Park because we know we have some people and some KEIKI there receiving ukulele as well. So let's go. We are here in Kaanapali Park over in, I guess, Kaanapali, a little bit past Lahaina. As you guys saw in the video, we passed Lahaina, saw the burnt area, the affected area. It was crazy to see. But a lot of the families are coming here meeting, so we're gonna just get to work and give away and listen to their stories. Here you go, my friend. You're welcome. Here you go. We got some stickers for you guys too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
The good thing is you've already been practicing, so this ukulele is perfect for you. And I assume you know how to tune already. So here's a tuner also with it that you can just tune and keep practicing. Okay? And I'll give this to Mom. If you need any more instructions, please reach out to us and we'll love to help in any other way we can.
Thank you.
Yeah.
She's so excited when I told her yesterday.
Oh,
like, oh yes, Mommy.
Yeah, oh, I'm so happy.
You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll realize.
Yeah.
Instead of soup cans?
Yeah.
So the kids.
Was there a music program at the school at all?
There used to be a long time ago, but that's been years.
So you taught in your first grade. You taught to the kids.
Well, like I said, he used to be in my class, and he was in my room. I'm a lefty, but I play right hand.
Oh, you play right hand. Well,
I play pool right handed.
Do you think you could strum this with your right hand?
I do have one tuner at home.
Well, you have another one now.
Oh,
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Bro. I love the fact that you're teaching. I hope you can still reach these more right here.
Well, I gotta tune this bad boy up, and we'll start playing this week.
The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my
Good job. have a 12-year-old girl, and she will not leave her hotel room that they're staying at. So we are going to go to her hotel room and bless her with an ukulele. So it's right here, 4 minutes away. So we'll be right back. Good morning, it's day 2 here at Maui, and it was a great time yesterday doing what we came for. Of course, the camera wasn't rolling the whole time with the interactions. We tried to keep their stories to a minimum and just ask permission if we could share them. And we will share them maybe in a later vlog or later on in this video. So just make sure you guys are subscribing, put your notification bell on so you guys don't miss any of that, because the stories that we've heard are absolutely touching, absolutely amazing stories, and their hearts are just also filled with joy to have still what they have now. But today we are headed back out on the road and still have a few more ukuleles to deliver. So let's go ahead and head over to breakfast. Are you sure?
This is the best one. Lord Jesus, just have an effective and impactful day today, Lord. Let's see the people of Maui. We love you and we praise you. In Jesus' name, amen.
All right, breakfast is great. Such awesome people that work there. That dude was awesome. But now we're gonna head on the road, meet up with Tina, and we'll see where else we can distribute some ukuleles. Right now, we're still in line, and we're actually passing right through the burn area. And we're headed to Makawao. Meeting up with someone there that is in need of an ukulele. It's a 52-minute drive, so we'll see when we get there. Just pulled over on the side of the road for a quick stop. Back in 2019 we came, Heli Ukulele 2019, and we dropped my son's sticker right there. So you know what that means. 2 stickers going right there. So anybody who's coming by Lahaina, driving past here, hopefully you see the sticker. Good morning. It's the morning of day 3. We're headed on the plane. We're heading home. All the 80 ukulele that we brought over are gone. We actually gave away the last one at 7:52 last night. We also have a bunch of pictures to share with you folks. But right now we're gonna load up into the van and head over to the airport. We've been absolutely blessed in this trip from Tina, our friend, providing us with lunch, and also our other friends here providing us with the space to stay for the weekend. Mahalo everyone for your donation and support. This is going to be a long journey, and we're here if anybody needs us. For those of you that did support, please send us your contact info, because we want to send over a little bit of something just to show our appreciation. For those of you watching and want to learn more about what we're doing and want to give, please send us an email at ukuleleprojecthawaii@gmail.com. For those of you the first time to this channel, this is why we created our channel, is to share our mission, our UPHi mission, and that's to put ukuleles in the hands of our keiki. Yeah, the tutorials and play-alongs are real nice and they bring in new people, but those who support us and have been supporting us for the last 7 years, we're doing what we set out to do, and it's all thanks to you folks. So thank you for following us on this journey of doing exactly that. Please stay tuned, because we have a whole bunch of more videos and stories to share with you all. We'll stream again another day. Aloha, mahalo, and God bless.